Hello students, let's start today's topic instructional aids. Importance of instructional aids and types characteristics. This is the very important question for your examination point of view. Let's start. Instructional aids. In this age of science and technology, everything has been changed. The teaching learning process has also been influenced by it. The classroom is changing fast. It has become a laboratory. Instructional aids are the devices which are used in the classroom to encourage the learning. With the help of instructional aids, teaching and learning process become interesting and easy. Charts, maps, models, projectors, radio, TV, and computer, etc. help the teacher to present the subject matter to be taught in an effective manner. According to Goods Dictionary of Education, audio-visual aids are anything by means of which learning process may be encouraged or carried on through the sense of hearing और सेंस ऑफ साइट. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे जो ये क्वेश्चन आपको मैं आज करा रहा हूँ बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. देखो, अगर मान लो आपके एग्ज़ाम के अंदर क्वेश्चन आ जाता है भाई आप क्विज के बारे में लिखिए, क्विज की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. अगर आपके एग्ज़ाम में आ जाता है चार्ट्स की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, मॉडल्स की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, रेडियो एज ए टीचिंग एड हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं उसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, मतलब कोई भी टीचिंग एड आ जाए एग्ज़ाम के अंदर तो आप लोग जो मैं आज पॉइंट करा रहा हूँ आप ये सब लिख सकते हो. ये इंट्रोडक्शन भी आप लोग सभी किसी भी टीचिंग एड का क्वेश्चन आए तो ये आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स. विजुअल एड्स. First point is visual aids. The word visual means or refers to seeing. For example, pictures, charts, models, flashcards, flannel board, जिनको हम केवल देख सकते हैं. Audio aids. Audio aids are those aids which involves the sense of hearing like tape recorder, radio, player, etc. जिनको हम सुन सकते हैं. Audio visual aids. These are the aids which involves the sense of hearing as well as the sense of vision. For example, TV, कंप्यूटर, जिसको हम सुन भी सकते हैं और देख भी सकते हैं. उसके बाद करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स. द फॉलोइंग आर द करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स. फर्स्ट, दे शुड बी मीनिंगफुल एंड पर्पजफुल. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दे शुड बी मीनिंगफुल एंड पर्पजफुल. दे शुड बी सिंपल, चीप एंड ब्यूटीफुल. They should be portable. They should be according to the mental level of the students. They should be motivating and informative. They should be according to the lesson. They should be presented at right time and right place. They should be large. These are the characteristics of instructional aids. Now, next heading is importance of teaching aids or instructional aids. Clarity. Audio visual aids bring clarity and understanding to the various difficult concepts in language. For example, the film A Train to Pakistan gives a clear picture regarding the partition of India. Second, language atmosphere. Language is best learned in perfect atmosphere. These aids help the teacher in providing real atmosphere of teaching learning language. Provide variety. These aids provide variety in the classroom and meet the requirement of individual differences of the students. Provide a substitution for direct experiences. The audio visual aids provide substitution for the direct experiences. It is impossible for the student to visit all the places of historical importance, but these places can be seen and understood well through these aids. Remove dullness. Most of the teaching is done verbally. This creates dullness in the classroom, but the use of audiovisual aids remove dullness and develop interest in students. Helps in grammar. The use of audio-visual aids make the most difficult work of teaching grammar very interesting and easy for the students. Make teaching effective. The use of audio-visual aids make the teaching very effective. These aids help the teacher in providing new situations for drill work to the students. Time saver. A teacher who requires a lot of time to explain something through his verbal speech only finds the audiovisual aids very helpful in the explanation of the things to the students quickly and clearly. Energy saver. The use of audiovisual aids save the energy of the student as well as the teacher. Useful in developing various skills. These aids help in the development of various skills like listening, speaking, reading and writing among the student. So student, ये क्वेश्चन आपका बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और ये किसी एक टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट का केवल इंग्लिश का नहीं है। ये आप चाहे किसी के पास जो भी टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट है, ये उसमें सभी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है क्वेश्चन। बड़ा ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और आप लोग इसको अच्छी तरीके से कर लेना। आपके एग्ज़ाम के अंदर ज़्यादा तो मैं कहता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन कम 99% ये क्वेश्चन आपका आता ही आता है एक। ठीक है स्टूडेंट, ओके, थैंक यू।